Оставил бы Херсу.
Sergei.
Boss.
Please. Mr. Harris, I assume. Pleasure to meet you.
Likewise.
Here we are.
Your people have confirmed our product is authentic. I present the handle.
Leave my phone.
Yes, Benjamin Banny.
Mr. Simmons. We're connected.
Mr. Simmons, we're connected.
All right.
We're good.
The 15-digit passcode.
A moment of privacy, please.
A moment of privacy, please.
Amelia?
What is it?
There seems to be some sort of break-in on our internet security.
Just waiting for the system to go online.
Just waiting for the system to go online.
Holding.
Şimdi bak bu parçayı hiç unutamam. Kaç gün.
It's like someone's hacked in, but it keeps dropping in and out.
Who's hacking in?
The signal's coming from within the compound.
Ready for the 15-digit passcode.
Ready for the 15-digit passcode.
Right, here we go. 2.
6, 2. Harris is transferring now. Stand by.
Update.
It's happening.
Check the monitors. Show me where.
The signal's bouncing all around the server. I can't lock it down.
Squiggly dash. 8. 5. 9. Small letter B for bollocks. 5. 6. 5. 5. Comma. Big C for clit.
It happened.
Ponytail, 11 o'clock.
Show me Greg's office. I know Greg's in there. Why is it empty?
Got it?
All done.
Transaction complete.
All right, Ben. You hurry home. Don't talk to strangers.
Check all communications in and out of the villa in the past 24 hours.
Doesn't like you.
It's the guard from Villa.
Money.
Payment confirmed.
10 billion. Confirmed.
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 Ponytail. Lodging complaint.
Thank you, Mr. Harris.
This is not Ben Harris. It's not our helicopter. Kill him.
JJ?
Confirming their confirmation.
What's happening?
It was confirmed.
Just confirm again. Who are these people?
I'm scanning.
Find out.
Give me a moment.
30 seconds.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
It's a gun.
Then I won't.
Who is it?
I'm not allowed to tell you.
Fuck it!
Give me that fucking gun!
Get that gun out of my face. Give me the fucking radio. Are you up there in the chopper, Mike?
Boston, you sound upset.
Don't you worry about me, Mike. I'm having a lovely time.
What seems to be the problem? Engine trouble?
Don't concern yourself. I'll give you the bus fare home.
My boys will take over from here.
Who are you? Who are you, Michaela? How'd you do it? This thing between us. Strong, innit? Do you know what the Turks call it? Kavajim. Enemy is fire. They say the gods will be furious if you put it out. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put it out, Michaela, because of Danny. He's a friend, and I respect him, and it's the right thing to do. I'm sorry if that disappoints you.
No, it's fine. I'll see you at dinner.
Round up any survivors! Tie him up, see him up, bring him here! I will be back in the air ASAP!
Orson, you know why I'm here. Let's not make this any messier than it needs to be. So don't be a bad girl. Just surrender my prize.
You want it so bad. You get your ass down here and get it yourself.
I have people to do that for me.
Oh, here he is. Keeping a safe distance as usual. You're a spineless jellyfish, Mike.
Adam, get the case.
I'm on it. Go on. It's yours. You're not taking it. I'm giving it to you.
What's this? No, he's gotta go.
Okay, relax. Relax.
Oh, it's a Sabi! Okay!
Who's going to tell me what's going on?
We think they hacked into our secure server.
Well, it's not that secure then, is it?
Yeah, it's worse than that, I'm afraid. Whoever you think you were on the phone to before, you weren't.
Ready for the 15-digit passcode.
What you on about? That's Ben.
Ready for the 15-digit passcode.
You stop Danny Francesco, and whoever the fuck that is, do it now. Do it now!
Get after that car. Bring them back to me.
Adam, we good? Yes. We got it. Check the case, John! You have the case. So why are we on our knees? Won't be on your knees for long, my friend.
Awesome. There's something strange going on up here.
Let's get both. Good.
Temperature's changed. Mike's gone rogue. He's executed the Ukrainian.
Got what we need. Connors,
Yes, boss.
kill Austin.
They're gonna kill you now.
Shoot him first, then.
I'm not just good with dogs.
Tidy.
There's a chopper with a dead pilot up here.
I'll meet you there.
Incoming.
Nathan?
Yes?
Nathan, we're being chased by Greg Security.
Then get unchased.
Good news, the back is bulletproof. Bad news, I can't control the back end.
You any good in one of these?
It's been a while. But I'll feel my way. It's only a chopper. Feeling my way?
Then Mike's appeared again, but this time he's turned.
Turned?
He's executed the Ukrainians and taken the AI. Going after him in a chopper. Did the other two get out okay?
Don't worry about them. They can take care of themselves.
Road's closed!
Cover's blown. Greg's security are in pursuit. You just focus on retrieving the case from Mike.
Find out where they are.
Already on it. 2 minutes southwest of this thing.
Too complicated. F for forward, R for rocket.
No, I think we're in trouble here.
Oops.
I think R's for rear.
I think I've worked that out now, thank you, JJ.
Let's hope there's 2 more seats in that chopper.
Has confirmed Michael's not working for any government. He's been working independently.
Ain't that a surprise?
You need to track him down.
You track him down. We go back to Greg's.
We are.
You are?
We are? We are. I can't go back to Greg's.
Danny, nothing to worry about. JJ's taking care of you.
Sit down, Danny.
You might want to see Greg, but I don't think Greg wants to see you.
That's where you're wrong, Nathan. I am exactly who he wants to see. He knows Sarah downloaded enough information on him to throw away the key.
Find some evidence we can hold over him for a rainy day.
So, Greg, that works for us.
Flatter me, I'm just gonna say.
JJ, tell Greg we're coming in. We have an offer that he can't refuse. He'll be expecting a call.
Whatever you say, Russ. Can we drop me off first?
Nothing to worry about, Danny. Greg's in love with you.
Would you buckle up?
Sit down, Danny.
Well, if you're wondering whether I'm feeling something of a tit, the answer is yes, I am. Is it humiliating, Amelia?
Yes.
Do we still think we can maybe make a deal?
Yes.
Yes, we do. Which is not to take away from the genius of your plan. Orson Fortune. That is a sexy name. It is. You must fancy him a bit. Fake Michaela. Still fancy you a bit. But what you done, using him as bait, celebrity Trojan horse, that's brilliant. It's classy. Not so classy, though,